They make me feel confident on what I do. They make me want to be a different person now after going through that. I get more support at this court. They always talk to me. They talk to me about what's good for me. Yeah. They get me in here, not like the other courts. They don't get me. They don't get what I mean and stuff when I talk to them. They just don't let me talk. These ones will let me talk.
Perhaps the most important and significant difference is the involvement of the community people involved in the marae. So you have the elders who are very much an important part of the process.
Whānau is not this bloodline today. Whānau is those who actually care about someone else and is willing to step into that space to support them.
In mainstream court, the other visitors are not acknowledged, whereas by coming here, we really want to know who you are, where you're from, who your ancestors are, what your waka is, so that we can gain connections and establish connections with other people amongst the group. And for the benefit of that is it's learning about our old ways for our young people. They get to immerse themselves in our cultural practices with the pōwhiri coming through the marae. They get to hear karakia and whai kōrero and speeches recited by our elders, and it's a learning environment for them as well. So the idea is that when they leave the marae court, when they leave their matters behind, that they walk away with their pepeha in their back pocket. The process is voluntary, so it really is up to the young people and the family.
The court as a process is really designed to try and encourage engagement.
I feel like I could get more support. I would like to go through this court again, but not any other court.